Welcome to Foodie Friday and the start of our mug meal series. My name is Emily Leggett and I'm the head of the teen department at the Tewksbury Public Library. Today we're going to learn how to make a sugar cookie mug meal. The perk of mug meals is it doesn't require a whole lot. On the screen you'll see a list of ingredients you will need. Alright, let's get started. I find it easier to make the mug meal in a bowl and then transfer it to a mug so you know you have enough room, but you can do it however you would like. Your first step will be to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. It took about 30 seconds in my microwave, and I was okay with a little bit of chunk of butter left, but you can do it however long, whatever works for your microwave. Next, we'll be adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. Once you get your sugar, you're going to mix it together, and you want to make sure you mix it really well so there's no grains left. You'll see it's going to change texture once you mix it. It'll get almost like doughy. Your next step will be adding 2 egg yolks to your mixture. You don't want the egg whites, you just want the egg yolks. This will help make this consistency a little bit more creamy. After you mix that together, you're going to add 6 tablespoons of flour. This is my favorite time to remind you, make sure you have a paper towel or something underneath, because when you mix this, it can get a little messy if your bowl is not big enough. As always, I demonstrate the mess that this can make. Next up is my favorite part, sprinkles. You can add as many or as little as you would like. I ended up putting some through a mixture, mixing it up, adding some more, and adding some on top at the end. Once you're done with that, you're going to move your mixture, if you didn't do it in your mug, into your mug and get ready to microwave it. For my microwave, I believe I did 1 minute and 25 seconds in 30-second increments until the last one. So check it out with your microwave, see how long it takes, what works best for you, and what is the consistency that you want it to be. To make sure it's baked fully, you can take a toothpick and poke through your mug cake, and if any of the batter comes out with it, it probably needs a little bit more. And that's it, you're done. I added, just for aesthetic reasons, a little thing of frosting on the top. You don't have to. It's definitely not like an official part of it. So get creative with it and enjoy. As always, thank you so much for joining us for Foodie Friday. This is a monthly event. As I said, we are doing a mug meal series, so the next couple of ones will be mug meals. We look forward to seeing what you've created. So if you're excited about what you made, feel free to share it with us on social media. And we'll see you next time. Bye!